for joining us on Ltn Property Show that comes every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. Now, as always, today we are at Ndemi Properties. We just want to feature these beautiful properties that is located in Kilimani along Ngong Road. And to help me feature this beautiful place, we have Madam Bella. Bella, thanks so much for joining us.
It's my honor to be here. And I'm Bella. I'm a house seller. Now I'm so glad to have this job. I like to meet different clients every day and know more about them, know what they want.
Thank you so much for inviting us here. Now, here where we are is our showroom where we just like to talk about this place. First of all, when was this property completed?
It's completed on March 2020.
And how many units are there?
We have 224 units.
224 units?
Yeah.
That's so big. With how many floors? How many floors are here?
We have 14 floors.
Yeah. With 224 units.
Yeah. We have parking in basement 1, basement 2, and ground floor.
So you have like 3 parking spaces?
Yes.
Nice. So before even we indulge much more about the units that are there, that are available, let's just talk about this beautiful show house. So where we are is at the living room or sitting room.
This is sitting room. Actually, its type is 3 bedrooms with study room and small balcony. And normally our kitchen is open style, but for this one, because our clients he bought this house, so we close it to make it how the sitting room more space and to decorate in different style, and you also got more privacy if you are cooking in the kitchen.
So the kitchen is just right on this direction.
Yeah, with the small garden.
Oh yeah,
It's very nice.
That
with flowers.
Nice. I like everything about this space. In fact, it's so big. You guys have the gypsum comes to the houses.
Yeah. And the lights, the painting, it's our head over standard.
Nice. And then even plus the finishing and the dining room. Let's talk about the dining room.
Okay.
The dining room, the space, you know.
Dining room is just very close to our kitchen. It's more convenient, and also when come inside the house, your wife will prepare a good dinner for you after you work. You will feel so warming.
So when I just saying where the dining is, it's very convenient to the sitting room and also to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Even if somebody has guests hosting in this place, it's quite easier maybe to divert from kitchen to sitting to dining. Let's talk about the lighting. Does the lighting, the chandeliers come with the houses?
Yeah, we have lights, but not this kind. We have our standard lights. This one is the show house. We just put a special style for this one.
Just to have clients, just to give clients ideas on how they can modify their houses.
Yeah.
And then Bella, I've gone to many houses, but I can say this one is a special one. Why? Because it has a study room.
Sure.
We just saw a study room there. Just talk about it.
Okay. I think it is a good design for us. Since you said the COVID-19, the people work at home, you can consider as a home office.
Yes.
You consider as a home office, and you have your own room, so that you will not be disturbed by other people.
And then let's talk about, because here is a 3-bedroom, right?
Yeah.
So let's talk about, should we begin with the master or the children or the guest room?
We have master. We have master and the guest room, but the guest room is not insured. It is shared with our common bathroom, and we also have children room.
That's it, insured?
Yes, insured.
And the master is also suit?
Yeah. Except the guest room, not insured.
And then the spacing, let's talk about the spacing, the cupboards where we can hang clothes, are both in the rooms.
Yeah, it is in the house. You have enough space to to hang your clothes, your beautiful clothes.
And then the gypsum, Bella, does the gypsum come with the housing or it's only in the showroom?
It is the housing.
In every house?
Yeah, in every house.
Now let's talk about the number of units that are remaining, because I know an investor who might be looking at us right now is wondering why you're not taking the, why are we not talking about the number of units that are remaining? How many units are remaining here?
Okay, so far we have 30 units remaining. The main type is 3 bedrooms with study and small balcony. Also 3 bedrooms with SQ and big balcony and small balcony. Actually, we total have 3 types remaining.
So with the 3 types, there are 2 bedrooms, or here, first of all, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, or how many?
No, we have 2 bedrooms. We have plain 3 bedroom, also 3 bedroom with study and SQ.
So where we are at is not, doesn't come with an SQ?
Not yet. This one is 3 bedroom is a study and small balcony.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Later I will show you other types.
Oh, nice. So let's talk about the pricing.
Okay, for this one is the size about 144 square meter, and the price for now is the price for now is 11.5 million.
It's an offer.
Yeah, it is a special offer, and no matter how you pay, the same price
remains.
Yeah, if you are my best friends, maybe I can give you good discount.
So what's the offer? First of all, when is the offer running till when? You have this offer till when?
Until we finish this
the number of
remaining houses, right?
So you say for 3 bedrooms it's going for?
3 bedrooms is going for like 30 units.
30 units?
Yeah.
And how much is the 3 bedroom?
Okay, for the with the study room is 11.5 million.
With the study room?
Yeah, and the 3 bedroom with the SQ is goes to 13. The 3 bedroom with SQ is goes to 12.8 million. 12.8 million. Yeah. Before that, this one is 13.5 million. So it is on special offer.
Oh, nice. And then the modes of payment. If I was to pay through mortgage, will I still pay the 11.5 million? Or it will differ? With the type of payments, if I'm to pay with the mortgage, will it increase or the pricing will still remain the same? Yeah, the same price. The same price. Yeah, no matter how you pay, mortgage, installment or cash. Now let's talk about the amenities that are here. What are some of the amenities that are within this place? Do you have a children PlayStation, gym, swimming pool, the rest? What do you have? So firstly, our service charge is 5,000 per month. Okay. We have a common area. We have children play. We have a big gym. It is the next one around Kilimani here. Also, we have backup generator in case the Kenya power goes off, and then we have borehole. Oh, borehole water. Yeah. So here you just use borehole water that is installed within this building. Yeah. So there is no water shortage, you say? No, it never happened. Also, we have 17 water tank in our basement. 17 water tanks? Yeah, 17. Then the water that goes to the rooftop supply you enough water. Nice. Yeah. And then how about security of this premise? Do you guys have CCTVs? Yeah, we have CCTV in our common area. Also, I have CCTV in the gym. And even around the compound. Yeah. You have CCTV. Yeah. And when I was coming in here, I have to admit, you guys have a very beautiful garden. It's very beautiful. Yeah, it was roses. With the rose flowers. Yeah. Okay, now Bella, let's talk about social amenities. We've already talked about the amenities that are already within this premise. How about around this premise? If an investor is coming to buy a unit here, what are their expectations? Do you have malls, shops? Yeah, our location is very, very convenient. So when you go home, there's no too much traffic, and then we have Junction Mall around here. It will take 5 minutes for you if you drive there. Oh, from here to Junction Mall, just 5 minutes. And I have to say this location is convenient because it's next to the road. So meaning no jam, as you say. Yeah, also there's a
greenhouse.
Greenhouse,
Yeah.
at Adams.
Yeah, the same distance, almost the same distance.
Like a 5 minutes drive to the
Junction. Yeah.
But I say it's very convenient because even after the greenhouse, we have Prestige Mall.
Yeah,
that's
sure.
just about 7 minutes from here.
Yeah.
So I have to say it's very convenient. And by the way, if you come into Ndemi Gardens, I think this is one of the tallest buildings in Kilimani.
Yes.
It is, yeah?
Yeah.
So why would an investor, as Bella, why would an investor come to Ndemi Gardens to buy something, to buy a unit from here? What would you recommend here?
Okay, firstly, I mentioned our location and the facilities around here, for example, Junction Mall, Greenhouse, and then it is our price. It's very nice price, and the most important is our service.
Okay.
Because our mother company the name is Ltn Properties, and this is one of the projects. So in the future, if we finish the house, then we also have very good management office. No matter what time you have issue, we will send people here.
So does it mean that under Wonder Properties, there are some projects that you still own apart from this one?
Yeah, some project is still going on now around Kilimani.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Do you guys have like the Wonder Properties? I've seen some Ndemi Gardens around Westlands. Is this still your property?
Sorry, please, I don't know.
You don't know? As we're finishing, because we're in the show house, there's with the interior decors that I've seen, from even the place where we mount the TV, does it come like that with every house?
Yes, it is.
It does.
Sorry.
I'm saying, you see how where the TV station is. I mean, like
the color that.
Yeah, the color, like the interior decors. Does it come with every unit?
No, it just, you mean the wall or the direction?
No, the wall. The
wall.
decoration definitely doesn't come with it. But the wall, you see how it is? The lighting.
Yeah, it is.
So I want us just to talk about that as we're finishing the show. This type of lightings are called what? LED, Amma?
The down lights, right?
They're called?
These ones?
Yeah. That's why I'm asking if they're coming with every house, Amma, it's just the show house.
Yeah.
You see where the TV is? You see this brown stuff? Does it come with every house?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's why I'm asking. That's what I'm asking as we wrap the show. love this space because it's so big compared to many houses that I've gone to. So what I was wondering about, the interior decor, the paint finishings and everything, does it come with every unit? Or it's just the show house?
Yeah, the painting, the tiles, and the gypsum, also the the painting, the tiles, and gypsum bathroom, the shower head, everything it comes with the
even the shower cube, the cubicles and everything.
Yeah, it comes with the house. It is our standard handover.
So Bella, I have to admit that this space is so nice. So as we're concluding the show one last time, if an investor was to contact you people, how should they reach you? Or you just give us the numbers that will run to
We have brochures. We also put advertisement in Rent Kenya.
You put
search,
the properties there.
Yeah, you can search Ndemi Gardens, also Wonder Property.
But it's good you've given us the number. The number is already running on the screen,
Yeah.
so they can liaise. That is the number for the sales team.
Yeah, it is.
So Bella, thank you so much for gracing our TV today. Indeed, the pleasure was all ours. How did you like the show?
Wow, this is the first time in my life. I'm a little bit nervous.
But you did well.
Anyway, I appreciate.
You did so
Thank
well,
you.
and thank you so much for according us this opportunity. And to our Ltn viewers, with that marks the end of this week's property show. Remember, this week we were featuring Ndemi Garden Apartments that's located along Ngong Road just after Adams Arcade, and it's just about 5 minutes to the Junction Mall. And with that marks the end of this property show. Until next week, my name is Sharon Ongao. Do have yourselves a lovely evening.